Hi. I will show you how to upload an image to the server. Go to the CCBoot client folder and run the CCBoot client. Then, click the Upload Image button. Here, you can use either auto-upload or manual upload. For the auto-upload, just enter the target path, it can be shared folder or other disks. And click the auto-upload button. Meanwhile, we are using manual upload. Enter the target path or select it. Enter the image name and click the Save button. Do not create a VHDX image, use VHD only. Now click the Create button. And wait few minutes while the image is uploading. Once the image is uploaded successfully, you can turn off the PC. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.